What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about how to set up Google Pay. Paano nga ba yung process, yung tutorial kung paano natin ma-link or ma-save yung credit card natin sa Google Pay. Kasi bago lang itong Google Pay dito guys sa Philippines, kaya naman nais kong i-share sa inyo kung paano yung process para ma-link or para magamit ninyo yung credit card ninyo gamit lamang yung cellphone. Hindi nyo nakakailanganin yung physical card. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys kung ito ba ay gagana sa cellphone ninyo. Kasi minsan hindi siya gumagana sa cellphone natin guys. Pero bago yun, nais ko muna kayong imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, nais ko malaman ninyo na hindi sa lahat ng cellphone gumagana yung Google Pay or Google Wallet. Kasi as you can see guys, ito, tulad sa device ko, your device doesn't support tap, but you can still use cards and passes online and across Google. So ibig sabihin na to guys, hindi natin magagamit yung cellphone na to kapag itatap natin sa POS or sa point of sale. So pag sinasabing ganito, yung cellphone nyo is hindi siya NFC supported. Kasi ito guys is kailangan yung mga NFC supported na mobile devices. Kaya nakalagay is your device doesn't support tap. Kasi 'di ba, pag nilink natin yung credit card natin sa Google Wallet or sa Google Pay, nandun yung details ng credit card natin kasi i-scan natin. Ganon siya guys. So nais kong malaman ninyo na hindi sa lahat ng device gumagana yung Google Pay. Kailangan nyo mag-upgrade ng mobile cellphone or device para magamit ninyo yung tap to pay using Google Pay. Then ngayon, let's move on kung paano i-link yung credit card natin sa Google Pay or Google Wallet. So, all you have to do guys is need nyo muna i-install yung Google Wallet. Then, ang gagawin nyo is pupunta kayo sa Google Play Store or sa Apple Store. Dalawang option yan. Kung naka-Android kayo, sa Google Play Store. Kung naka-iPhone, naka-iOS, sa App Store kayo pupunta. I-search ninyo yung, as you can see, Google Wallet. Then pagka-download ninyo, as you can see, ayan, Google Wallet. So installed na siya sa akin. May iba pang options, huwag yan. Dapat Google Wallet yung i-install ninyo. Then ngayon, pagka na-install niya, ganito yung lalabas. Uninstall and open. Of course, i-open nyo siya ngayon. Then ngayon, pagka-open nyo pa lang guys, is ipaprompt kayo for Google account. So kung walang naka-login na Google account sa mobile phones ninyo or sa cellphone ninyo, kailangan nyo mag-login ng Google account. Kailangan nyo muna mag-sign up for a Google account. Ngayon, kung meron na, mabilis na lang kung may naka-login na dati na Google account. So pag naka-login na kayo, ganito yung lalabas. Get fast, secure access to your everyday essentials. So nakalagay is add wallet. Then itututorial ko muna kayo. Nandito nakalagay sa baba. Tips: get notified when you make purchases, receive flight updates, and more. Automatically add passes from Gmail by turning on smart features in Gmail settings. So kapag gusto nyo naka-enable yon, pwede nyo siyang enable sa settings. Ngayon yung focus natin is how to link credit card sa Google Pay or Google Wallet. So click nyo yung plus na yan guys. Nakalagay diba? Then ayan, makikita nyo na ngayon. Add to wallet. Payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, and gift card. So maraming options. Then sa baba is everything else. Take a photo of any pass like an event ticket, gym membership, or insurance card. Look for the add to Google Wallet button online and in other apps. Since ang ililink natin ngayon guys is yung credit card natin para magamit natin yung Google Pay. So dito tayo ngayon sa payment card. Kasi as you can see, may nakikita kayong transit pass. So all you have to do is just select payment card. Pagka-click niyo ng payment card, ganito yung lalabas. GPay, add a payment card. Encrypt cards on this phone and wallet for faster, safer online payments. So, all you have to do guys is to click new credit or debit card, add to wallet and your Google account. So, as you can see sa akin guys, is may nakalink na dati na credit card or select a card you save in your Google account, Google Play, Chrome, or YouTube. So, kapag may nakasave na kayong credit card sa Google account niyo, since yung ginamit kong Google account dito is may nakasave na credit card details, nandito siya, pwede niyong piliin yan, guys. Since kayo ay maglilink pa lang ng panibagong credit card, so dito kayo sa new credit or debit card. So, pagka-click ninyo guys, hindi kasi pwedeng i-screenshot. So, ang mangyayari is, pagka-click ninyo ng new credit or debit card, mag-o-open yung camera. I-scan ninyo yung credit card. Then, andun na lahat, lalabas na yung card details. At saka, i-input ninyo yung CVV, yung 3 digits sa likod. So baka magtaka kayo guys, or matakot, since kinukuha yung lahat ng details ng credit card. It's normal. So, there's nothing to worry about. It's because Google Pay is, authorized naman to use this feature or to collect that certain details. So, authorized siya ni Google since Google Pay nga, diba? So, basta dun lang kayo sa official website ni Google website. Mag-link ng inyong credit card details sa Google Wallet mismo. Isa-search nyo siya guys ngayon sa Google Play Store or App Store, Google Wallet. Then, yun mo yung nangyayari. So, ito yung recap guys. Add a debit card or credit card to the Google Wallet app. So, all you have to do is open the Google Wallet on your device. Ida-download nyo muna yun sa Google Play Store or Google App Store or sa App Store. Then, tap Add to Wallet button on the screen. Choose Payment Card and select New Credit Card. You can use your credit card or your camera to enter the information manually. Kasi tulad ng sabi ko kanina, mag-o-open yung camera para i-scan ninyo yung credit card ninyo. Then, select Save and Continue. Then, pagka select and Save Continue ninyo, i-review nyo ngayon yung issuer's terms and conditions. So, kailangan nyo mag-agree doon. So, basahin nyo yun, guys. Kung may hindi kayo nagustuhan, so huwag kayo mag-proceed. Then, tap Accept to proceed. So, minsan, nag-a-ask nyo ng further verification, OTP, something ganyan. So, you have to undergo that process. Then, yun, kung successfully linked na yung credit card ninyo sa Google Pay or Google Wallet, so, ganito yung lalabas, guys. Card is ready to pay contactless. Para ito sa mga cellphone na capable to use tap to pay. Kung ngayon, kung hindi capable yung cellphone nyo, lalabas yung your device doesn't support tap but you can still use cards and passes online and across Google. So ngayon, kung capable naman to use tap to pay, ito yung lalabas. Card is ready to pay contactless. So as you can see, yung example. Ganun yung successfully linked credit card sa Google Wallet. So ito guys, just a quick reminder lang regarding using Google Pay. Kasi malalaman natin, kino-collect yung details guys. So, mamaya, hindi kayo makapunta sa official Google Wallet. So, make sure lang guys na sa Google Play Store kayo mag-install or sa App Store para guaranteed yung legitimacy ng application na yon. Kasi mamaya, hindi pala yun. So, mako-compromise yung card details ninyo. Ito guys, authorized naman siya ni Google since ito ay launch dito sa Philippines. So, bagong launch lang ito actually. So, by the upcoming years, mas marami pang improvements neto guys. Itong feature na ito, yung Google Pay. Kasi napaka-convenient gamitin ng Google Pay when it comes to purchasing on the department store. Lahat-lahat, basta yung cellphone mo is gumagana lamang kapag ginamit yung Google Wallet or Google Pay. At saka, enabled yung NFC. Kasi kung hindi nyo pwede magamit yun. Pero pwede nyo magamit sa online transactions, something ganyan. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!